Experiencing login problems with your Coinbase app? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues related to passwords, two-factor authentication, 2FA, or device compatibility. This video will guide you through troubleshooting these common problems to get you back into your account quickly and securely. We'll cover password resets, 2FA fixes, and device-specific solutions. Device compatibility is key for successful logins. Forgot your password? Start by initiating a password reset through the Coinbase app or website. You'll receive an email with reset instructions. If the reset email doesn't arrive in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Email filters sometimes redirect Coinbase emails. When creating a new password, make sure it meets Coinbase's security standards. At least 8 characters, including uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. To create and manage strong, unique passwords, consider using a password manager like LastPass. This helps prevent security breaches. If the reset email is delayed, wait a few minutes and try requesting it again. If issues persist, contact Coinbase support for assistance. If you've heard that your password was compromised in a breach elsewhere, change your Coinbase password immediately to protect your account. Two-factor authentication adds an important layer of security to your Coinbase account, but it can sometimes be tricky to manage. Start by ensuring your authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator, is properly synced with your Coinbase account. Remember that authentication codes refresh every 30 seconds. Make sure you're using the current code within that time window. If 2FA isn't working, request a reset through Coinbase support. You'll need to verify your identity with a photo ID. For enhanced security, choose app-based 2FA over SMS, as it's less vulnerable to interception. Consider using biometrics like fingerprint or Face ID for convenient, passwordless logins. As of 2025, Coinbase has adopted passkeys following FIDO standards for seamless and phishing-resistant access. Login issues can stem from your device. Start by clearing the Coinbase app's cache to remove stored data that might cause problems. Ensure the app is updated to the latest version, 8.50 or later, on both iOS and Android. Outdated versions can cause login failures. Check for operating system updates for your device. Keeping your OS current fixes security issues that can affect app logins. Disable VPNs temporarily, as they can interfere with IP-based logins by masking your location. Coinbase allows up to 5 trusted devices. Exceeding this limit may trigger additional verification steps. Restarting your phone or device can resolve temporary glitches affecting the app login process. If basic fixes don't work, try these advanced troubleshooting steps for Coinbase app login issues. First, verify your account settings in the Coinbase web portal to ensure everything is configured correctly. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable, as connectivity issues can prevent login. Force quit the Coinbase app and retry the login process. If necessary, reinstall the Coinbase app to resolve any corrupted data issues. Check Coinbase's status page for any reported outages that might be causing login problems. Remember that login failures are more common during peak hours due to server overloads. Let's examine some real-world examples of Coinbase login issues and how users resolved them. One user experienced 2FA desync when migrating from Coinbase Pro to the main app after switching devices. They resolved it by contacting Coinbase support through live chat and submitting a government ID scan for verification. During the Ethereum ETF approval event in May 2025, thousands of users encountered delays in email verification for password resets due to high server load. Coinbase responded by implementing temporary SMS reset options, successfully resolving 85% of affected cases within 24 hours. Users running Android 10 and older versions encountered login loops due to compatibility issues. Coinbase addressed this with an April 2025 update that included backward compatibility features, resulting in a 40% improvement in login success rates for affected devices. Proactive security measures can prevent login problems. Here are key best practices to keep your Coinbase account secure. Enable biometric login options like fingerprint or Face ID for easier and more secure access to your account. Never share your two-factor authentication codes with anyone. These codes are for your use only to protect your account. Regularly update your password to strong, unique combinations using a mix of characters and avoid personal information. Monitor for phishing attempts through Coinbase's Security Center. Watch for unfamiliar greetings, grammar errors, or urgent requests. Keep your recovery codes secure in a password manager or safe place. Each code can only be used once, so store them carefully. Be cautious of suspicious emails or links that ask for your credentials or payment information. Verify directly through Coinbase. If you suspect fraud, contact Coinbase support immediately to protect your account and assets. The future of Coinbase login security involves biometrics and AI. By 2025, 40% of Coinbase users opted for biometrics, providing seamless and phishing-resistant access. Experts predict AI-driven support chatbots for instant login troubleshooting, potentially cutting support wait times from hours to minutes. Blockchain-based decentralized identity could potentially eliminate 2FA altogether, though adoption is slow due to regulatory hurdles. Expect quantum-resistant encryption in crypto wallets to reduce app-related login fraud significantly by 2030. Always stay updated with Coinbase's latest security features.